for today. It's another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY origami tree, pine tree or Christmas tree, whatever you have to call it. And so what you will need is just green paper and scissors, and you have to follow the folds like this. You have to fold like what I'm doing right now, and yeah. So everybody, what you need to do now is go ahead and fold it like this, like a triangular, and then open it again and fold it on the insides like I'm doing there. You have to watch this step carefully because it's a little bit hard to do, and you have to do the same on the back sides. So I'm going to be uploading more winter crafts. I did this pine tree or Christmas tree, whatever you want to call it. I'm also going to do more crafts like a red and like bookmarks, Christmas bookmarks, and yeah, so stay tuned and subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. So everybody, what you need to do now is make cuts like this, and you have to leave a little space between them, and you don't need to cut it all the way. You have to cut it like I'm doing it right now, and you have to cut it till that, and then go ahead and just roll up your pine tree and like fix it like, and yeah. So then fold it like a little half triangular like this on every side. I've done two sides like this. You have to do the whole these areas, and yeah, and you have to finish it until you have done all of those like that. You have to fold it, and you have to do all of them like this. I've not completed it yet,